Hey guys, this is Victor. Welcome to my DIY Time Tech channel. This is our rainbow vacuum. It's pretty old, but it still does a phenomenal job cleaning the floors. But recently it started leaving a trail of small black pieces behind as you would drag it around the house. These black rubber pieces are coming from the wheels on the bottom of the vacuum. The rubber surface of the wheels is very old and it's simply crumbling and falling apart. To fix this problem, I bought a set of 4 brand new wheels for our vacuum, and if you're interested in where I got them, you can check out the links in the description area below this video. To remove the old wheels, you can use 2 flathead screwdrivers. Wedge the first screwdriver in between the wheelbase and the plastic platform, and then insert the second one above the plastic wheel stopper. Now you should be able to slide the old wheel down and off this plastic platform. If the old wheel doesn't come off very easily, you can try to use one of those curved claw hammers to get it off. Just make sure you still have something wedged between the wheelbase and the plastic wheel stopper. Hit that curved hammer with another one to force the wheel off of this platform. Next we're gonna install the brand new wheel, and if you notice there's a small little hole on the wheelbase, it's supposed to go in first, just like the old ones. Slide the new wheel into its place until you hear the click. Repeat the same process for the remainder of the wheels. Alright, I think this vacuum is good to go for another 20+ years of service. I hope this video is helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.